Okay, so I got a package from Dygma. This time I'm not showing my address. And not this keyboard. One sec. Just bring in my tea. I don't wanna not drink tea. Okay. So this is connected, and then I had it holding onto my other cable, which I could probably connect back in now. I don't know what I use that for. I think it's like charging like PlayStation controllers or whatever. So basically I had an issue on my my Raise. So basically this wrist rest, the pad, I could never like get it on like completely flat, so it'd always be poofy and sticking up off of it. And then on this one it was like perfect. Like it just stayed on, like no issues. And then I always have to push down on it. So basically I don't have to do this anymore. Apparently there was an issue with these pads. Like this, I don't know. It wasn't perfect. So then I reached out and they said it wasn't perfect. And I said, yeah, it wasn't perfect. And they said, okay. And then I said, okay. And then they just basically, said, we're working on a new style and design. Okay, this one is like actually perfect. That one had like no issues coming off. Yeah, actually, you could probably actually see the difference. Like this one's like really good. This one was like wonky, like not cut properly. Nice, wonky. So yeah. So let's open this new one. Let me go get the blade. So we open it up. It comes fresh from Spain or China, but this is it. Palm pads Gen 2, and nothing else in this. So let's throw that on the ground. So palm pad left and right. Taking these out. This one's for the right side. This one's for the left, and I'll put this over here. Doesn't matter. So real quick off the bat, these palm pads are really nice. Here's the old one left side, and here's the new one left side. Is that visible? It is. See, old one. It's got a little bit more gloss to it. And then look at this one. It's got a bit more of a matte feel. It feels more like this is kind of spongy. This is kind of spongy too, but like not as spongy as this one. This one's like a bit of a rougher on top. It's a bit thinner. Now, I don't know if this is going to be more uncomfortable and this one's more cushiony. This one does feel more cushiony at this moment. If I was comparing these to mattresses, this one feels more like a tufted needle. This one feels more like a Tempur-Pedic or a Lisa mattress. Would I say that? Or would I say a Casper? Basically, this feels kind of like it's got a bit of latex inches on top, maybe like 2, and it's got maybe another few inches of memory foam and then hard foam. Then this one feels like a tufted needle. It's just like a bit more firm. If we had to rate this on a scale of 10, of firm to super like cushiony soft, this is probably like a hard like a 5. Like it's cushiony. Actually, what would we say? 0 is hard, and then 10 is cushiony. Is that what we're gonna do? Okay, we'll do that way. Yeah. So 0 is hard, and 10 is full cushion. So this is like a 7. It's like a 6-7, like cushiony. You know what? I'm a liar. This is like a 5-6. It's like a hard 5. Let's take this one. Oh, dude, this is like a hard 2-3. It's like a 3. Nah, dude, this is like a hard 3. Yeah, it's like a hard 3. This one. That's like, this one's like a 5-6, 5. Let's take the bad one, the old one. Let's try this one. Yeah, okay. So I got numbers for you. 5-6, like a 2-3. It's definitely. Anyway, so let's well, I haven't felt what a raise feels like without wrist rest in like so long. Yeah, I honestly miss this feeling. I love the feeling of the cold on my wrists. Like, it feels so nice. Like it's just ice cold, and it's winter now. I miss this feeling. Wow, I really miss this feeling. I feel like I have more space too when I don't have the wrist rest. Like it just feels nice. Okay, let's pretend connect these and try it. I don't know, man. Maybe my hands are too big. I feel like this keyboard's for a toddler, bro. I feel cramped. Maybe it was ortholinear. It helps. I have no idea. Here, I'll put on the pads. I'll put on the pads. I'm not going to use it without the pads. I don't need no carpal tunnel. You don't need to add more pressure to your wrists. Regardless of however I feel, it's still better to add these pads. So let's line this up perfectly. Because if I mess this up, it's over. You have to commit seppuku. So let's get this perfect. Let's get this perfect. Let's get this perfect. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. You won't even know. You won't even know. See, you can't even tell. No, I did an okay job. It's not atrocious. It's not atrocious. 1 second. I gotta do the other side. Okay. Here we go. This side. Gently. Copy. Gently. 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 Come on. Squeeze. Okay, so that left one is a little bit closer. This right one is closer to the edge. I should have done it closer to the edge so I have a little bit more space rather than like cramped up on there. So we can rip this one off because apparently Dygma uses like recyclable sticky pad technology. I have no idea how that's even possible, but it doesn't lose its notepad stickiness capabilities. I don't know how that's possible, but hey, they got R&D scientists over there, you know, that made it happen. Okay, so I am pretty satisfied with that. I have no air can, so I can't dust it off. But if you have to look at it, the new pads look more refined. It's got a bit of an HD matte look. It kind of matches the low profile keys, if you can tell. Maybe you can, I have no idea. So, if I can type, hi, I am Paul, and I like potatoes. Can't spell potatoes. Wow. Microsoft Edge is just like, I planted my first potatoes plant forum. I am a potato YouTube comment song. Oh, this is a real thing.
Tonight, I'll be eating a New York strip and fries from the Smith. Cheers. I win again. Patrick.
I don't have ad blocker on with Microsoft Edge. I don't even use this browser. Okay, now the ad has ended. Yeah, so apparently there's a potato song, and then the recommended videos there's a coconut song, and then there's a recommended video for your sausage. Wow, there's a lot of this. Okay, we're gonna get off that. Yeah, so let's type again. How does this feel? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, yeah, so yeah, that works. Yeah, these pads are nice actually. They look nice too. They kind of match like the coloring on this a little bit. That it's got like this pattern on it. Yeah, this is just an update on the new pads. I'm just happy to have new pads that are like nice. They do lift off a little bit on the side, so let's look a little close up. You can see that. So maybe I can just smush it down. No idea. Let's take this in. Maybe that's part of the design. It just comes off a little bit on all the edges. It's got that like floating look on the edges. On this one it's pretty tight. Maybe I messed up. Let's see. Maybe I can spread it out like butter on bread. Nah, there is no saving this. Maybe I just messed it up. But there's a little bit of a gap there, but it's fine. If it works, the whole point of it is not to be aesthetically pleasing. The point of it is to prevent carpal tunnel. So, now whether or not does it prevent carpal tunnel, we shall know. But I'll let you know one thing that has caused carpal tunnel. It's this keyboard and laptop keyboards. I hate that the only way I can get a wireless keyboard that isn't garbage is this keyboard. The stupid rattlesnake. The Logitech rattlesnake. I don't know why they have to do this. And if I got the full size, you're paying like $300 of tax for this. What a joke. It's like the cable companies, like the ISPs, the monopolies, man. Tea's hot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have nothing I really could add to this. But thank you for the new pads. They work well. Bye-bye. Peace.